Well, you boys asked for it, so now you're gonna get it. Y'all wanted to burn it down, let's do it. We're soaking down the edges right here along my cryptomerium pine needles so we don't burn them down. I don't want that to catch on fire. Oh yeah. I'm using my matches from 2003 when me and Tammy got married. Look at that. All right, here we go. You ready? I've got my irrigation running over there real good to soak that section down so it don't get over there. We're gonna strike another one right here. Yeah, that's good that it's kind of burning slow.
Yeah, very slow. That's very good.
Get in there. I'm gonna start me another one down here. We then started another one right here. A bunch of people commented on the YouTube video, why don't you just burn it? I just didn't think about it at first, but it's a great idea. Burn it down, baby. This is the first time I've ever burned down a yard, ever.
Really?
I'm really, really anxious to see, will it look that much better or does it look any different? If no, I don't know. Doggone it, that was no, I was honestly expecting it to go whoof, and go shoo like that because it is crazy dry right now. But it's burning very slow, and now I kind of wish, I spent 8 hours out here the other day mowing it down, scalping it.
Yeah.
Brad come and got that pile today. It was this high.
Oh, okay, wow.
And I wish I wouldn't have done that now. But if we'd have lit that and it was that tall, it may have went.
Yeah, exactly.
It may have went woof.
Oh,
Yeah, y'all gonna come this way? Let me see it.
Oh my.
Move that hose, Lil. Holy cow, man, it took off right there, didn't it?
just one little second. Okay.
Yeah, look how close it got to the building. There it goes, all gone. Can't be having no dirty hose, right?
That's right.
Boys, I appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
That was a big help right there.
Sweet.
I doubt I could have done that by myself.
All right, man.
Cool beans, thank you.
Yes,
Thank you
sir.
very much.
Absolutely.
Oh boy, look at yonder, she's dead as a hammer now, boys. Well, hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day today. And I read the comments, you said burn it, so we burned it. It didn't really go whew, like I thought it was going to. Just kind of a real slow burn, and I thought it actually worked out really, really well. Couldn't have been a better day to do it if you're gonna burn a yard. That's crazy, I can't believe I'm saying that. But you can see, she is toast now. So yeah, that'll make for easy grading. Yeah, I wasted 8 hours of work the other day, but that's okay. I had a great time doing it. But like Philip said, 4.5 inch tall fescue that was completely brown, dead, and dry, it might have went and really took off hard. So, it is what it is. It worked out great, and the grade work shouldn't be quite as hard now because I won't have to deal with a bunch of these little dead grasses and that kind of thing. This right here should really till into the ground really easily. So I reckon I'm gonna get a good free dose of carbon out of this. I mean, in a literal kind of way. So it'll be interesting to see how this does versus the other renovations I've done, because I've never ever burned down a yard literally with fire, ever done it. I've seen Bermuda yards done that way in the springtime, but I personally have never done this before. So this is really new for me, and it's really cool to have a black yard. I mean, I guess it's cool. So anyway, that's it. I burned it. Like, subscribe, and share. Tell all your buddies that crazy dude in North Carolina has been come out here and burnt his grass up. Check you later. I'm filming it right now. I'll probably edit it in a little bit. I may even post it tonight. Hey, they ask all the times, what do my neighbors think about me? Really? Yeah. What do you think? What do you think?
I like it. I thought when I came.
Neighbor right here says it's perfect. He's going to do a renovation and make a video. So, hey, good stuff, man.